So this is the beauty of Sanskrit. So this verse, you should memorize this verse. It's very important. It's simple. There's only one word, two words, three words. Ishvara, Kartum. Is the same as Hindi?
Yeah.
Ishvara, Sanskrit, Hindi same? Ishvara. Kartum, the Karta. Then Anyata. Anyata is Hindi? No other. We say Anyata. We say Harinam, Harinam, Gatir Anyata. Harinama, Harinama, Harinama eva kevalam. Kalo nasteva, nasteva, nasteva. Gatir Anyata. Ye gati, ye goal, this destination of Goloka Vrindavan Prapti, Radha Krishna Seva Prapti. There's no other way to get there except in this age, Harinam, Harinam, Harinam. So the Krishna he can do, or he can undo, or he can change to something else. Like someone says, oh, Krishna why are people suffering in this world? Krishna can make people suffer, or he can make people happy, or he can make people suffer and be happy. Why? Because he's Ishvara, you're not, I'm not. You can maybe if you're lucky, you can control your wife. Probably not. 100 years ago, it would work. Now, forget it. You have to take a vote. You have to have a parliamentary procedure. You have to sit down, pass a motion, get 2/3 majority vote. Then maybe your will be carried out. You have to get the mother-in-law and everyone to vote in your favor. Then you can get your wife to do something, or husband, or whatever. So Krishna, the buck stops there with God. He is the Ishvara. So I want to share this in the last few minutes of the satsang. I heard this last week. It was taught to me. Because Krishna is Ishvara, the supreme, the most powerful. He has the power to do anything, or undo anything, or to change anything into anything else. He's Ishvara. Although he is a doer, he's nonetheless a non-doer. Because some people can say, oh, you were over here at one time, and now you're over there. I say Krishna can do, or he can undo, or he can do something else. Like Krishna did one thing, and they put me in one place. And now Krishna says, oh, okay, now I'll put you in another place. And then maybe he'll put me in another place. He's Ishvara. You're not the player, you're the pawn on the chessboard.
Yeah, he's the player.
You're not the player. The pawn is insentient. He moves according to the will of the player. So we are the pawn on the chessboard of Bhagavan. You go right? No. You're going this way, over there with those people. No, okay, now you go over here. Over there. That's sure. Now you come back over here. Or you go over there. yes, sir. Hey, Bhagavan. Govinda Damo Daramaraveti. Govinda Damo Daramaraveti.